stinks. No more parties, no more presents. Just work, work, work. Like this dumb essay. Write about a time you total lie. If you could change the past, would you go back and tell the truth? If I could change the past, I'd go back to parties and Christmas presents. Parties and presents? Yeah, I have a brilliant plan to make January interesting. Brilliant plan? That's what you said the time we rode home in a police car. If we tell people we're moving, they'll plan a party for us and buy us stuff, just like in December. And we'll get out of schoolwork. Well, trust your sister, this plan can't fail. Step 1 of my brilliant plan. Drop subtle hints that we're about to leave.
Ashton, is everything okay?
After this month, I'll never see our beautiful classroom again. I hope our school in Cleveland is nice.
Cleveland? Why would you go to a school there?
I don't want to talk about it. It's tragic. Step 2, convince Mrs. McFadden we're leaving. I'm not sure how to do it yet. Easy, I'll change Mom's voicemail. Her passcode is her birthday. Brilliant. You've reached Heather Krieger with Jefferson Manufacturing. If you're calling with an order, I have a new job in Ohio. So, we're moving. So, call the factory. So, bye. Step 3. Once people start to believe we're moving, use it to our advantage. No science fair project for us.
So your hypothesis is due Friday. Any questions?
Miss McFadden, since me and Ashton are moving...
Don't worry, you'll be in Ohio long before the science fair.
Step 4. Sit back and wait for the food and presents to roll in. Bet you they do a surprise party.
They're coming, they're coming. In 3, 2, 1.
Surprise! A party for us?
Because you're moving to Ohio, we brought you gifts.
And it's Kentucky stuff, so you won't forget us. This is so sweet. We'll always be Kentucky girls, even when we live in Cincinnati.
Wait, you said you were moving to Cleveland.
One little mistake. Ashton, is this one of your brilliant plans? Trust your sister, you said. This plan can't fail, you said. I think you should have written that essay about lying. We didn't go home in a police car now, did we?
That could still be arranged.